Hello. In today's 5-Minute Friday, we're going to talk about something that I call setup missions. As many of you know, one of the best features of Dronelink is that it lets you include things like camera settings, return to home altitude and other things into your mission so that you never forget to set them correctly. I call these setup functions. But one thing many people don't realize is that you don't actually need to fly a mission to run these. This can be particularly useful if you want to set up all your usual settings, make sure you don't get anything wrong, but you're going to be flying the drone manually. So how do we set these up? Set up your mission in the usual way by hitting the Create button and then selecting New Plan. Pick anywhere on the map, since you won't actually be flying, it doesn't matter, and then start adding the components that you want to be able to reuse for manual flight. In my case, I'm setting up a simple version for the Mavic 2 Pro to set up video as D-Log-M, which is a client requirement that comes up fairly regularly. If, like me, you have components that you regularly reuse, you could just include a component instead of including each individual item. Give your plan a name and click Done. Once you've done that, you're ready to go. Just confirm that the plan appears in your list, and then you're ready to connect your drone and run this to set up the drone as you need it. So what does that look like when you actually run it? Connect your drone and select the mission from the list. Make sure that the drone is not going to fly. If you're really not sure, take the propellers off just to be sure. Once you know that it's not going to fly, click Start and just simply wait for the mission to complete.
3, 2, 1. Starting mission. Mission accomplished.
You'll then be able to go in and check all of the functions to make sure that they've been adjusted the way you expected. And that's it. Once you know that the mission works as expected, you can take this out in the field and use it to quickly set up your drone exactly the way you want and know that you'll never have any problems. Hope you found that helpful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment, or if you have any questions, leave those in the comments as well.